Hello! The video about checking with the tester PANDORA 5000 version 9 full of the different car keys. This is an updated tester PANDORA 5000 version 9 full of factory and other car alarm systems as well as automatic systems. We check the tester operation with keys from different car models. We use the recording of signals from different keys, that is, manually select one of the 8 tester operation modes, switch the memory cells, and record the key signals from such cars as Subaru Outback 2010, Toyota Corolla 2014, Toyota Land Cruiser 100 2007, Lexus GX 470 2008, Ford Explorer 2014, Hyundai Solaris 2015, Hyundai iX35 2015, Kia Ceed 2016, Ford Focus 2015, Ford Transit 2015, Mitsubishi Pajero 2012, Honda CR-V 2012, Skoda Octavia 2015, and Volkswagen Golf 2015. We see that the tester has saved the signals from these keys in all its 10 memory cells. That is, the tester works with all the above car models. Thanks. for watching.